In this video, we will show you how to clean the working chamber of the N4 Plus on a daily and weekly basis. To avoid breathing difficulties caused by machining residues, wear a face mask of class FFP2 during the entire cleaning. You will find these maintenance tasks listed as daily cleaning of the machine and weekly cleaning of the machine in the maintenance section of Dental CNC. For the daily cleaning, have the following items ready: a wet cloth and a mild cleaning agent. Open the working chamber door. Notice, never clean the working chamber with compressed air because it will damage your machine. During daily cleaning, take care not to remove the grease from the working chamber door seal and the door frame. Clean all surfaces and cracks in the working chamber thoroughly with a wet cloth. Use a mild cleaning agent if necessary. Thoroughly clean the blank holder from all sides with a wet cloth. Especially clean all openings and movable parts of the blank holder. Wipe the nozzle plate with a damp cloth. If necessary, clean the view window with a wet cloth. Use a mild cleaning agent if necessary. Once per week, continue with the weekly cleaning of the working chamber. For the weekly cleaning, have the following additional items ready: a tube of collet chuck grease, a paper towel, and a tube of white mineral oil-based grease. Remove the tool magazine from the working chamber. Clean the tool magazine thoroughly. Apply a small amount of collet grease to the bolts of the magazine holder. Plug the tool magazine onto the holder. Screw the protective cap off the webcam. Clean the webcam with a wet cloth. Screw on the protective cap. Remove grease and machining residues from the working chamber door seal and the working chamber frame with a paper towel. Grease the working chamber door seal approximately 1 mm thick with white mineral oil-based grease. Close the working chamber door. Once you have finished cleaning the working chamber, you should mark the corresponding tasks as complete in the maintenance section. Daily cleaning of the machine and weekly cleaning of the machine. This will keep your list up to date. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/N4Plus. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.